The Minion will be installed like an add-on to existing utility meter or at the MCB panel and compatible with major connectivity solutions like Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G, LoRa, and more. And our underlying magics are users can install it in just 3 steps as the Minion is completely plug and play. And there are no device level sensors required, and there is no plugins or softwares required. Just like Facebook, sign in into our dashboard and start tracking your data. Post getting appliance level data at our cloud dashboard, we have our machine learning and neural networks algorithms, which does slab rate monitoring, historical consumption load management, and electricity leakage detection inside the building. Appliance level energy consumption benchmarking, which provides actionable insights to our users to reduce their electricity consumption. Going a step further, our algorithm can even identify the power source of the device, whether it's a utility, generator, or a green energy source. Minion Energy Management Solution enables energy transparency, energy efficiency up to 30% of savings, predictive maintenance and asset health monitoring, and ensures safety through recognition of any anomalies like high and low voltages and power fluctuations. This solution is suitable for all kinds of businesses like retails, hotels and restaurants, SMEs, individual homes, or any other sector. Being hardware independent, it can also be applied to any existing energy monitoring device.